Hello there guys, and in this tutorial we are going to be talking about installing a package. Okay, so there are two ways to install a package. One of them is from a repository, so you can type in apt-get install package name. Okay, package name. And you should understand that you need to have, that is not you should understand, but just to note that you need to have super user permissions to install packages. Okay, so prefix this commands with sudo. So basically, package name would be the name of the package you want to install. And if you want to install a package from a file, and let's say that, within this folder that I'm currently in, which is my user's home folder, I had some file. What I could do is I could use dpkg, which is again a lower level package manager. I could use dpkg slash I, dash I, and then I could write package file name. Okay, so this way I would install the package from a file, and the other way, which I just typed in later, would be used to install a package from a repository. Now, I very rarely install packages from files and much more often install packages from a repository, so apt-get install package name would be the command to use. Okay, so hope you learned something useful, and I will talk to you very soon.